right here with the lovely, the beautiful Sevana. Sevana,
Hi!
this is RJA Rum Festival. No,
Yes.
talk to me. Why did you demolish the stage like that?
Because why not? Why not? I'm just, I just never want to hold back ever again. Life is not guaranteed, and I want to just live it to the best of what I have to give.
I want to say, I feel like this is my first time actually seeing you perform.
Yeah.
And girl,
Yeah.
you're international.
Like
Not like
brand new.
trials are going right now.
Yeah.
I'm going to feel like Jamaica, if we vote and send you got some international performing competition so you can bring home the gold. That was amazing.
Thank you so much. We've been rehearsing for a month.
Oh, a month.
With the dancing and
Dancing,
everybody,
the singer, everybody.
reconstruction of the song. Big up Margaret and the entire band. Obviously, them are some of the most talented young Jamaican musicians you ever see, right? I'm obsessed with them. Also the dancers, led by Steve. Steve, big up yourself, I love you. I just wanted to bring all the elements of me to stage, finally.
Is this how, I guess, you set yourself apart as an artist in terms of, like, we see the work?
Yeah.
You know that there's a Jamaican style to how we perform,
Yeah.
but I realized that you want to give it that international flair.
Yeah.
Like I see that you put in the Vanessa Bling, you put in that in your song,
Yeah.
you have the elevated dance moves,
Yeah.
and you're bringing, like songs that people can resonate with in your performance. And so why does this matter so much to you as an artist?
It matters so much to me because I'm just representing all of who I am, right? That is what sets you apart when you are fully, authentically yourself, without any fear, blocking out all doubts, and that is the vibration that I'm on, and I just never want to go back, I never want to turn back.
Alright, so you have a new single now.
Yes.
And it is called
Love Me.
No, but just listening to about yesterday or 2 days ago.
Yeah.
And I like it, Sevana.
Thank you so much.
I like it and I like
Thank
the
you.
video.
Thank you.
One thing about you, you gotta show off your melanin, Like you are gonna give
It's
black
just
girl
there.
beauty.
It's just
But then, and it's so funny, I was here, I'm there today, I'm say, God, the person who I came here for, who really want to interview with, was you.
Really?
And the first person I booked up one friend from UE days, and her name is Francine. Turns out that she'll sing with you. Then I go around to the front now, I'm just there.
Big up showroom,
Then
super talented.
Then I go around to the front now and I am vibing.
Yeah.
Guess who I see beside me at the front dancing? Now your mother and your brother. Who could it be but God? So mommy, Peaches, come here, little bit man, because I see your vibe. Yeah, come round man, come round.
Call you Peaches, come woman, come. Walk in.
Oh, I'm gonna pronounce it. Peaches. Okay. Alright, so mommy, come stay right here. So mommy, you're coming at me, go mommy. Mommy.
Hi.
You're looking at your daughter flourish and just like deal with the stage like Beyonce and them people there. What does it feel like to really see her owning herself and living her dream?
I am super proud.
Yeah.
That performance was phenomenal.
Yeah.
Thank you, mommy.
Oh my God.
Mommy, what is your favorite Savannah song?
All of it.
No man, you must
Every
have
one of them.
all of them. No man, you see
This new single.
the new single.
Love Me.
Okay. Did you catch you didn't catch the dance moves from Mango?
Of course.
Okay.
I have it in me long
Let me
time.
see peace side. Let me see peace side
Wait,
right
you're
now.
not for it,
No man, do it. Okay.
You
all
putting
right.
me on the spot?
Yeah.
Alright, anyway.
Mango.
Alright, so that is it. Thank you very much. Like Savannah, all the best with your career.
Thank you.
We know say you chart your own
For
course
sure,
now.
for sure.
So all the best on that
Thank you,
journey.
Dutty.
And
Big up
continue
yourself.
cheering on your daughter because she's doing great.
Thank you.
Alright, yeah.
Nice to have met you. All right,
Yeah.
man. Bye-bye.
piece of bread is